How y'all doing today? Today we're going to cook some pineapple and chicken kabobs. What we got right here is 2 chicken breasts, and I'm just going to cut them up. Cut them up in good sized pieces. I'm going to start right here, trim that up. Then I'm just going to cut probably about 3 strips like this. And just cut them in about 3/4 to 1 inch cubes or so. Just like that. You can cut them as big or as little as you want, I reckon. Chicken is all cut up. So I just put it in this little bowl right here, and I'm going to use this teriyaki sauce right here to marinate it. I'm going to pour probably about half the bottle or so in it. Then I'm going to give it a good old mix. Mix it up real good. Just like that. Now I just covered it up with some saran wrap, and I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to let it marinate for at least 4 hours. This right here is what we'll be adding on our kabobs. Is 1 red bell pepper, red onion, probably going to use about half of that or so, and I got some fresh pineapple. We're just going to use probably about 1/4 of that pineapple. All chopped up. There it is. About 1 inch pieces or so. So our meat has been marinating for about 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours, something like that. And this is how we're going to assemble them. We're going to get a red pepper, and I've got metal skewers. That's what I'm using. You can use the wooden ones. Put them on there. Then I'm going to take a red onion, put on there. Then I'm going to take a piece of our chicken, put a piece of chicken, and a piece of pineapple. And then I'm going to do it the same way. Red onion, or green pepper. Freaking red pepper. A red onion. Another piece of chicken. And another piece of pineapple. And I'm just going to repeat that until I get all the way to the top, about right here. And right here is 1 done. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of them done. So I got 4 kabobs with the chicken and pineapple and stuff. And then I got 1 kebab that's got like whatever I had left over. It's got some chicken, some onions. And I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of the ThePohto rub. And you can season it with whatever. You can just put, you know, a little bit of pepper and garlic powder. Maybe a little bit of salt, but you'd have to be careful with the salt because teriyaki's got quite a bit of salt in it. The ThePohto rub don't have a lot of salt in it. It's got a little bit in it, but not much. Just gonna give it a light coating all the way around. Now I'm gonna put these back in the fridge, just let them chill out for a minute while I get the Weber started. We got the old Weber fired up. We're gonna cook them indirect. We're running at about 375 degrees right now. Get them all on the grill here just like this. Man, these are gonna be mighty fine right here, I tell you. Look at there. Get the lid back on. Let them cook probably about 15 minutes and we'll come back and check on them. These have been going about 15 minutes or so. And I put some of that teriyaki sauce in this bowl. This is the teriyaki sauce that we had left in the bottle. I'm going to give each one of them a little bit of a baste. Just brush a little on each one. And I'm going to give them a flip. Whoa. Flip each one over. Got them all flipped over. Now I'm going to brush each one of them again. Give them a nice light coat here. Now I got them all brushed. Lid back on. Let them go for another about 10 more minutes. We've been going about another 10 minutes or so. They're looking good, ain't they? Now what we're going to do is put them directly over the fire. Woo! Y'all see that? Just for a minute or so, just to get a little bit of a char on them. You want to make sure your chicken's cooked with a thermometer, so you want to make sure it's at least 160 degrees. Give it a flip. Got a little bit of a char on it, looking good. So we got them nice and charred, as you can see. We're gonna pull these off and try them out. Chicken and pineapple kebabs. Man, look at that right there. Now let's fix a plate. Alright, so here's my plate. Got it served with a little bit of rice. And I just took it off the skewers and put it around the rice like that. So let's try it out. Looks mighty fine. I think this might be healthy too. Look at that. Chicken's perfectly cooked. Try a piece of chicken. Oh yeah. That right there is delicious. Got a piece of chicken, pepper, and onion all in one. Try that out. Mmm. That sure is mighty fine right there, I tell you. Nice, refreshing meal. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Hey, guys, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time for another mighty fine meal.